Best home remedies for cough and cold. Please share it.
Ginger tea with lemon is very effective.
Pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than cough syrup.
Take more and more water throughout the day.
Homemade cough drops are very effective. We should take hot bath once a day. 1 spoon honey with pinch of black pepper. Must take thyme tea twice a day.